Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set split screen in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to settings of your phone here. Then go to advanced features. Go to advanced features and here select multi-window and turn on the button again to swipe for split screen. Just turn on this button and click over swipe for split screen. Instruction is given here to change to split screen view. Swipe up with two fingers from the bottom of the screen in portrait view or from the side of the screen in landscape view. Swipe again to switch apps. Okay, so first of all, open any app. Here I open Google Chrome. To go to split screen, with two fingers swipe from the bottom of the screen, swipe up like this. See here, screen is splitted into two parts. In the first part, Google Chrome is active. In the second part, you can choose other app. Here I would like to choose Google Play Store. Okay, so if you would like to change the area of the split, just you can pick up in the middle and drag like this, and you can adjust the screen. Okay, so here first part is small screen and second part is somewhat larger screen. Okay, suppose if you want to have second part to first part and first part to the second part, then click on these three dots and click on this icon, and it will be revert to it will be reverted. Okay, that is second part will go to first and first part will come to the second. Okay, suppose if you want to make this combination, that is Google Chrome and Google Play, then you can make a favorite here and it will be stored in home screen or app edge panel. You can add this pair to home screen or app edge panel and click on home screen, and it will be pinned to home screen, and later you can just click on that shortcut and it will be directly open. Okay, see here I am going home, and you can see here this is the split screen combination, and if you click on it, that will be opened. Okay, suppose if you want to close the split, what you go to do is again you go to swipe down with two fingers. Okay, for splitting you will use swipe up with two fingers. For closing the split, you go to swipe down with two fingers or swipe with one finger just down from the middle button. Okay, so in this way you can easily set split screen in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.